I saw this post in the marriage subreddit, and I'm not going to editorialize. I'm just going to jump right in because the title brings you in. She says, I am not a chef. I am a wife and a mom. I've hit my limit. Just from the title alone, it seems like this husband is about to be blindsided. Anyways, she says, I'm a mom to a 7-year-old and I run my own small tech company. On top of that, I handle nearly all of the household responsibilities, cooking, cleaning, parenting. It's a lot, but I care deeply about creating a healthy, loving environment for my daughter and making sure our family eats nutritious, balanced meals. Last night, I made a pasta and salad dinner. I used quinoa pasta, something I chose intentionally for our health. My husband started complaining, not just about the taste, but in a tone that felt dismissive and frankly disrespectful. I told him, I'm not your personal chef. I'm your wife and the mother of your child. If you don't like it, make your own food. He didn't say a word, just stopped eating, went to bed, and didn't come back out. Normally he does the dishes, but I ended up cleaning everything myself, which only added to the resentment building inside me. Then today, Saturday, the day before Mother's Day, he stayed in bed almost all day, saying he needed to rest. He skipped lunch as our daughter told him, Mom needs respectful eaters at the table. Later, he picked up takeout for himself, again without a word. He also drank 5 cans of soda, something that already frustrates me since I'm the one working so hard to keep our family healthy. I'm exhausted. I'm doing everything, running a business, raising our child, maintaining our home, and getting zero support from the person who's supposed to be my partner. I can't even look at him right now without feeling rage. I don't know if I'm looking for advice or I just need to vent, but I feel like I've hit a wall. I love my daughter more than anything, but I regret choosing him as my husband. He acts more like a 3-year-old than a grown man. Sorry for venting. I think that these two are going head to head because she likes to be in control and he's possibly feeling like she's acting like a mother. But by the same token, she probably feels like she's acting like a mother because she is doing literally all of the household things and she sees her husband not being particularly healthy and acting like a child, and she's literally acting like a mother. And I don't see that this is a very healthy dynamic at all because she's trying to be healthy and not everybody is going to want quinoa pasta. So, that kind of makes sense. But the thing is, he's being passive aggressive in how he is handling it and acting like a child and doing stuff that he knows is going to push her buttons. He knows how to trigger her because she's so focused on being healthy. She put that in there. I am focused on having healthy, nutritious meals for the family. So she's doing this on purpose, and he's acting just the opposite to irritate the hell out of her. I don't think that these two people like each other. They are not compatible. Like, what is she getting out of this? What is he getting out of this? I mean, yeah, I don't know. But the thing is, she's saying right now, as it stands, that she is the one that is currently doing all of the things: cooking, cleaning, taking care of their child, and all of the managing of the household. She's frustrated with this man. She's feeling rage. She's feeling bitterness rise up, and resentment. That's what bitterment is: resentment and bitterness. She's feeling all of these things. And so this man is about to be blindsided because it's like, obviously, they need to talk. She needs to tone it down on the motherhood part, but she's not going to stop acting like a mother if he keeps acting like a child. So I don't even really know how to resolve this. I think that they're kind of doomed because he's going to keep on, taking a step back and going to go hide in the corner like a little kid, eating up all as much chocolate as possible until his stomach aches. Drinking 5 cans of pop is wild. That's like literally something a little kid would do, like eating up the whole bag of candy after going for a holiday Halloween trick or treating or something like that. So this sounds like a literal kid. Regardless, this man brooding the day before Mother's Day is going to be a memory that sticks and stays with her, especially if he doesn't come out and try to have a conversation like an adult. she's going to remember this. But also, this woman knows wholeheartedly that she can handle things as an actual single mother because she's doing everything with a man in the house that's not checked into his family. Even if they would stop going at it as far as what they're going to eat for dinner, he's still not checked into his family. Like literally, he could disappear and she would still be fine and handling things for their child. So if he doesn't decide to check in, she's going to check completely out. And then he's going to be blindsided. Visible Rest says he needs to grow up. My wife doesn't cook. I do all the cooking. If she did, I would gladly eat whatever she put in front of me, unless it's liver. She knows I hate liver. Then I would think, what did I do to deserve this punishment? I feel you, Visible Rest. I do not like liver. Like, why are you eating that? That's not the right thing to do in any situation. Here's the OP saying, what I was really seeking was appreciation, but instead he tells me not to cook because he prefers takeout, things like Chinese food and hamburgers. It's disheartening because I can't even take pride in the nutritious meals I prepare. He doesn't want them. He'd rather eat processed, carb heavy food. And, this is the thing. Women are helping keep their husbands alive. I absolutely agree with that. But there can be some balance. And I'm wondering how her food tastes. Because if he's tasting this food and he's like, no, I would rather just go out and buy the food. I'm going to buy the food that I want. Maybe there's something going on, like some lack of seasoning. The taste is not good. I mean, who chooses quinoa pasta on purpose? I don't know. I've never bought quinoa pasta, so I don't know. Someone in the comments going to have to clue me in. Is quinoa pasta good? This person towards the bottom says, does he work in a manual labor intensive job? And the OP says, no, he's in tech, but he's sensitive to work related stress and he turns to food as a form of comfort or escape. Pringle Lover says he has an unhealthy relationship with food and forcing healthy eating on him won't work. It just turns into crash outs like what you've described. Can I ask you if you shamed him about his eating habits? She doesn't answer that question. Cassie says you are both in a power struggle and have resentment. Marriage counseling is the only chance you have to not get divorced. You have 3 choices. Stay and learn to tolerate him, accept that this is your life. 2, do the hard work of marriage counseling. 3, just get the divorce attorney right now. Basically, that's that. Sometimes you just have to let people face their consequences. If you love somebody and obviously you want them to be healthy, I totally get it. But pick your battles. Like literally, after a while, he'll start to feel the consequences of eating terribly and then try to, maybe start incorporating something healthy. But if not, just make him deal with his own health issues. Don't run in and fix things. Make him do it himself. Do the hard work of marriage counseling if they are both checked in and wanting to do it. 3, just get the divorce attorney now. It sounds like that is probably going to happen because this lady sounds tired and done with his butt. Just Julia says, yeah, my first impression was this sounds like a power struggle. Like, I want to be healthy and I'm glad my husband does too. But if he wants to drink 5 sodas one day, I'm going to let that slide. If he doesn't like quinoa pasta, it definitely tastes different. Then let him get takeout or make his own food. I can't tell if he's a man baby or she's just intense. Maybe both, LOL. I kind of think both. But a lot of communication needs to happen here before anything can be better. I absolutely agree. He's a man baby and she is controlling. Stark Tony says, you're doing the best despite your circumstances. You obviously care about your fam bam. Maybe a frank talk is in order because he's behaving like a man child. And then we got Net Junkie. You make your own food if you don't like it. Makes his own food. Actually, he goes and buys it. And then he says, you, not like that. He says, I'm kidding, but y'all need to talk. He should have input on what he eats, but he should be respectful in the conversation. Absolutely. You can have a respectful conversation, even if you don't like it. She's wanting appreciation for the healthy, nutritious food, but maybe the food is not that great. So, maybe they just really need to hash this out if they actually care about salvaging this relationship. Anyways, What do you think of this? Do you think that she's controlling, that he's a man baby, or both? Let me know in the comments. Join the conversation, like, comment, and share.